Nelson. It's nearly Christmas time. Shall we make Santa some cookies to take on his journey? Yeah. I have just the recipe. Today, we're going to be making some chocolate orange cookies. And for this, you will need 50 grams of unsalted butter, 50 grams of golden caster sugar, 1 egg, 1 orange, thank you Nelson, 25 grams of cooking chocolate, and 135 grams of plain flour. You will also need a mixing bowl, a wooden spoon, and a baking tray with some greaseproof paper. Ask your grown-up to preheat the oven for you to 180 degrees. Make sure you wash your hands before you start. Put the butter into the mixing bowl and mix it till it is soft. Add the sugar and mix again until it is very creamy. Then mix in the egg. Zest the orange and add it to the mixing bowl. Then stir in the cooking chocolate. Give it a good mix. Now add the plain flour. Mix everything together and you can start to make a dough. Once you have done all of that, use your hands to make the dough into 12 little balls and place them on the baking tray. Press each ball of dough down slightly once you have placed them onto the baking tray. These will be your cookies. Although we have used these ingredients, you can use your favourite vegan or gluten-free alternatives. Now we're going to put these in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. We're in the Victorian Walker kitchen at Clifton Park Museum. The Victorians had their own Christmas traditions that we continue today, such as decorating the Christmas tree. Did you know that the Victorians invented the Christmas cracker? And they made Christmas cards as popular as they are today. Nelson, do you think we should make a Christmas card? That's a great idea, Nelson. Let's make a Christmas card for Santa. You will need some coloured card, some felt tip pens or some colouring pencils, and make your own design. I'm writing to Santa, Merry Christmas, love, Clifton Park Museum. Here is my card for Santa. Oh, the cookies are done. These smell delicious. No, not yet, Nelson. They need to cool first. Do you want to have a go at making these? Everything you'll need will be listed below this video. Make sure you tag us in your photos. Have I forgotten something? Oh yes, a carrot for the reindeer. Nelson, have you taken a bite out of Santa's cookies? Oh, go on then. Well, that was fun, wasn't it? Little Nelson and I would like to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Goodbye.